luxurious jet black 2008 BMW 520h will take you down the road in style and comfort. Fully loaded with great-looking black leather interior, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seats, heated seats, memory seats, power sunroof, navigation, great-looking wheels, and all-wheel drive. Wow, you can't get any better than this. This vehicle has brand new tires. The paint has a showroom shine. With just 47,704 miles, this car is barely broken in. 100% auto check guaranteed. The interior of this vehicle is virtually flawless. Still has the new car smell. Very smooth ride. All electronic components in working condition. All interior components are in good working order. A5 series in this condition, with these options and this color combination is an absolute rarity. Call it class.